Good morning, everybody. And this is Vijay Wadagbalkar, healthy lifestyle and abundance expert. I want to share good news with you. I am a customer of Jackson Monichan, and I have undergone 6 days Elementor training course with Jackson. And I really like the way he teaches. He's so dedicated, and I have learned how to create a landing page in Elementor. And I have my own WordPress website. HTTPS vijaywadagbalkar.com, and I'm really very happy at the work that training Jackson is doing. I'm part of his community, and I'm learning. And the most important part of about Jackson is he's available whenever you want him to be available. He is there to help you. Whether it is some error problem with your WordPress website, or whether in the process of creating a landing page, or whatever it is, Jackson is available 24/7 at your call. And that is the most plus point I consider, because me as a business owner, uh, to get a support on a technical level from person like Jackson at a call or at a message or at an email within 48 hours is amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, Jackson. God bless you. God bless you and your family and your business. All the best to you.